show you how to make a paper circuit. Now, supplies that you're going to need include a piece of construction paper, some type of light. I have an LED, but you could also use a Christmas light, some tin foil, tape, and a battery. Now, I have a 9-volt battery here. And these are 2 AA batteries. Now, most of the lights that I have are these LED lights, and as you can see, they require between 3 and 3.2 volts. So one issue that we have noticed is using a 9-volt battery like this provides too much energy and it eventually blows out the LED light. So if you can get like a battery pack like this that uses AA or AAA batteries, it's going to be more efficient because one AA or AAA battery provides 1.5 volts. And so whenever you have 2, that gives you the 3 volts of electricity, which is exactly what you need to power that LED light, okay? So the first thing that you're gonna do is take one piece of tin foil and then just break it in half, okay? And then you're gonna break your other piece of tin foil into 4ths. Okay, now you want to tape the pieces of tin foil together. You want to make sure that there is really good connection between the pieces of tin foil. You don't need to use a lot of tape because the tape acts like an insulator instead of a conductor, which the tin foil acts as the conductor. Okay, and now I'm going to do the same thing with the other. Okay, so now that I have 2 pieces, I am going to take my LED light, and the LED light has 2 poles. One of them is longer than the other, and the longer end is the positive end, the shorter end is the negative end. And so this is going to be important whenever we use our battery's cables. The red cable is positive and the black cable is negative. So whenever I connect the red to the positive end and the black to the negative end, my light lights up, okay? So I want to remember which one is positive and which one is negative. I'm going to tape, I slid it underneath the tin foil, and I'm going to tape it down. Okay, and I'm going to do that to both sides. And then I'm also going to tape my tin foil to my paper so that way it doesn't slide around. All right, now I'm going to touch my paper, my battery, to my light, and it lights up. So if it doesn't light up, it might be a connection issue. And so one thing that you can do is just apply pressure to where your light is, and that should fix it. And you have just made a circuit.